Show you in this short video. I just want to show you how to take out this lance from the gun in the Black & Decker PW700 WB, the water pressure gun. I assume this also applies to other guns and lances in the Black & Decker range. Because the instructions in the booklet is not so clear and one struggles, therefore I made this video. You must remember to engage this trigger and to pull it in. When you change this, you must remember, if this isn't pulled in, it is very difficult to do whatever you do. You pull this in and then you take this lance and you push it in. You push it in and then you turn it anti-clockwise, and then it comes out. If this isn't being done, you struggle and you struggle and you struggle. The reverse is, of course, easy. You engage it, pull the trigger, and then insert the lance. Insert the lance, slides in, and then you turn it anti-clockwise, and there it is locked. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you love constructive concept criticism, please like and share this video.